Happy Wednesday, everyone. Today I want to talk to you about two beautiful waterfront properties that just hit the market. My name is Christian DeBouche, and I'm a licensed real estate agent with a Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Now, if that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Now, the first home, both of them are in St. Pete Beach, but the first home is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,551 square foot mansion listed with Denise Hobbs of Future Home Realty. And this home is on a corner canal lot. So you have over 500 feet of waterfront available to you. And it's been listed for $2,950,000. Inside, you have a wonderful, first of all, let's talk about the outside. The driveway can accommodate at least 10 cars. And there's obviously 2 cars that can fit in the side. Next, you have a wonderful open floor plan. So you have the kitchen, great room, living room combination available for hosting and just basically making this a home. And you have a fireplace here in the living room den area, so you can get cozy when it gets cold. Because believe it or not, there are some times where you need to wear a sweater here in the area. But this home has been remarkably appointed. It feels cozy on the inside. It's got great bones and great natural lighting all throughout, and views of the water from all angles. It's amazing because essentially the water's on both sides, the back and the side, so every bedroom can see the water, and it's very calming. Next, also in St. Pete Beach, we have a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,603 square foot home listed with Vera Davis of Florida Investment and Realty. And this home, also on the water, has about 300 feet of canal waterfront. Both homes have access to the Gulf of Mexico and their own docks. This home, 2 stories, great lofts, great living room, open floor plan, great room combinations, great bones all throughout, and you got nice wood flooring all throughout the home. It's a very modern, elegant look with options for natural light coming in from the south and from the west. This is an amazing opportunity. Again, there's a nice fireplace, so both homes, which is not common in this part of Florida, have fireplaces. Natural lighting, great windows, beautiful kitchen. Kitchen island spans, wraps around, large walk-in closets. So, and this home has been listed for $2,825,000. So both homes listed for under $3 million. If these are of options interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521, and I could talk about all the options available at this and other price points. Talk to you later.